Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make soyabean Manchurian. For that we need some soyabean and then we are going to wash it with hot water. We are going to dip it in a hot water for 15 seconds. So now we have just soaked it. Now we will wait for 15 seconds minutes and then we will take it all out and soak it with the help of hand. You can see it the way we are doing it, the way you have to do that. Then we'll transfer it to a bowl and then we will add some ginger and garlic paste to it, as you can see it, and then we'll mix it properly. Then we will add some black pepper and you can add it as per your taste, and then we will add some salt according to the taste, and then we will add little 1 spoon or half of maida, and then we will mix it properly to get all the things mixed properly. And then we will take an pan in which we have to fry these soyabeans. So we will fry it till they get fully brown, or then after that we will just take them out in a bowl, as you can see that. Then for making the Manchurian recipe, we need to take a pan, and in that we have to take some ghee that we will show you. First we have taken this all the pieces of soybean as they are fully browny. So we have taken it out in a pan. Then as you can see, our all soybeans are ready, fried. You can see it is very much spongy type. Then we will take a pan and we will add some oil into it. It can be 2 tablespoon oil, and then we will add some onion slices the way we eat, and then we will add little bit of ginger and garlic paste. Along with that, some green and yellow capsicum. You can even add red capsicum, that's fully your choice. Then we will add some salt to it, and that can be added as per your taste. Then we are going to add some black pepper. If you like very much spicy, you can add red chili also. Then I have put some amount of vinegar into it, and then I will add some soya sauce, also a little quantity. Then we will add some sauces like tomato sauce along with the tomato slices cut into the bigger sizes. Then we will mix all the material together. We'll keep it for rest, and then we will add some green chili sauce to it. And after adding the green chili sauce, we have made the corn flour celery, and we have added a little bit of food color into it to make the orange color to the soya beans. So like this we have added into it. As you can see, the color has been become orange. Then we will add the soybean, the one we have fried it, into it, and then we will just mix well, so that the color of that orange comes onto it and the water is usually get mixed. And then we will add some coriander leaves to garnish it, as it is the one without which a recipe is never complete. So I hope you will really enjoy our recipe. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel.